Okay. Hey guys! So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello. Hey guys! Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya Thorat, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to do hashtag research. Hear me out. I also have some amazing tools which I'll be sharing in this video. Don't forget to watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel. Whether you're a social media newbie or a seasoned pro, mastering hashtag research is a must because it can create huge impact on your brand visibility. So, without any delay, let's get started. First things first, what is this hashtag research and what does this term mean exactly? Let me explain. Well, it's basically finding and selecting right hashtags for your social media posts. Basically, these hashtags they help you to categorize the content. So via hashtags, the algorithm understand what is the post about. So you need to be very cautious while giving the hashtags and make sure it is relevant. So now that you understand what is hashtag research and why is it so important, let's understand how to do this hashtag research. But before that, before searching for hashtags, you need to remember or keep in mind, or you must be aware of these three key points for sure. First one is know your target audience. You should be really very well aware of who your target audience is going to be or whom you're going to target. Second point is understand their pain points and interests. Your topics will come out from their pain points or interests. Third one is search for content ideas. Once you have listed out all the points, now it's time for you to create posts, reels, whatever you're going to create. So yeah, these are the 3 points you need to remember. We just quickly sum it up. Know your target audience, find their pain points or interests, and create content around their pain points or interests. Basically, how you're going to come into the picture, how you're going to solve the problems of your target audience. So you need to be aware of these 3 points. Okay, so now you know that whom you're going to target and your content is also ready. Now it's time to find hashtags which are relevant to your content and audience. Now you'll be like, okay, Shreya, we know this, we know these 3 points. Now tell us how to do, where to find these hashtags. I'm coming to it. Here you go, guys. Okay, so the first and the most obvious tool is Instagram search bar. Click on Instagram, open the search bar, and then you can search for hashtags. So I'll search for hashtag stock market, and you can see all the tags coming up here. So you just need to note these somewhere or take a screenshot of these and use while posting. So this is how it works. You can click on tags as well. So these are the hashtags related to that particular keyword. But if you feel like this is a bit time consuming, or maybe it's just too much work, or maybe you just want something like, just to copy paste all the hashtags at once, then I have those tools for you guys. So the first tool which I have for you guys is all hashtags. Go to Google and type all hashtags generator. So this is the first tool you'll see. Click on it, and this is how the website looks. All you need to do is insert your keyword here. For example, I'll insert stock market, and then I want to have top hashtags, choose top, and then click on generate. So here you can see best 19 stock market hashtags. You have it all here. You can just copy paste these hashtags. But one thing is that here, drawback with this tool is that you'll not be able to find how many people are using these hashtags or much data about it. So this is one drawback for this tool. But anyways, in this case, what you need to do is, again, you'll have to copy this hashtag and go to the Instagram and search what's the volume. But again, it's a tedious task. But if you just need any bunch of hashtags to just copy paste, then these would work. But apart from these, you will also find similar hashtags and more hashtags related to this. So yeah, this is our first tool, all hashtags. The second tool which I have for you guys is Influx. Just type in Influx hashtag generator for Instagram, and then you can choose the first link, best hashtag generator for Instagram, AI based pickup. Yes, this is how the interface look, and this is the hashtag tool which I use the most. You can explore the page. Here you can see already there are a bunch of hashtags available based on the niche. You have the travel hashtags, you have food hashtags, Christmas related hashtags. You can just copy these from here and paste it and use them. Yeah. The stock markets again. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So here you go. Yeah. So here you can see hashtags categorized based on their usage, frequently used, average, and rare. So one thing is about this tool is you'll have a limited hashtags available for this. You'll get the data, but a limited. You can do is you can choose from here. Maybe you want, and you can see all the hashtags piling up here. Choose the hashtags and then just play around the keywords, guys. So something related to stock market is investments, so I can get more hashtags using more keywords related to one particular post. So yeah, this is how you can use this tool. You can get more hashtags, but you'll have to pay for it. One more thing about this tool is this tool has much more to offer. Just go to the hashtag trends page. Don't forget this page, guys. It has some amazing hashtags as well. See, use the trending Instagram hashtags. So these are again based on today, last 7 days, last month, and all time popular hashtags. So explore these. And if you scroll down, top 100 Instagram hashtags, and then you have also use hashtags for likes. Also see how many people are using these hashtags. Again, you have here top followers hashtags is about our second. Now it's time for our third tool, which is meta hashtag. Meta hashtag generator. And then you can use this link. Yes. So once this website is opened, you can again type the word. I'll use again the word stock market. Click on generate hashtags and there you go. You'll see the hashtags and how many posts are using these hashtags, posts per hour, average likes, lowest likes, average comments. You can find this all. So based on this you can select. So these were, I was selecting some of them yesterday. So just clear this history and then yeah, so you can select from these or maybe you can click on select all and yeah, here you go, you have your hashtags. But one drawback about this tool is you'll only get 5 hashtags for one keyword. So again, as I said, you'll need to explore more with the keywords. The fourth tool I have for you guys is Predis AI. Predis. Just go to Google and click on Predis AI hashtag generator. You'll see here. I have given the keyword investment and then click on generate hashtags. Sort these hashtags based on relevancy and reach. You can just select the hashtags, copy and use them. Fifth tool I have is Sestrix, I guess. Yeah. Sestrix hashtag generator. Click on this link. Yeah. Here you can enter the keyword. Again, I'm going for the similar keyword. So here you can see a bunch of hashtags available. Similar to all hashtags, but this tool, it also shows the popularity. You can see the hashtag real estate is 100% popular, entrepreneur is 70% popular. You can copy these hashtags from here and you can use. So that's it for the video, guys. These are the 5 tools which you can use. They are free. Of course, they do have limitations. They do come with few drawbacks. But then, if you're someone who don't want to spend money on buying a tool for hashtag research, then I'm 100% sure that these will be useful for you. I have a few tips from my end to master this whole hashtag game. Okay, so first tip from my end is look for hashtags which have a good balance of both popularity and specificity, because popular hashtags are going to get you to a wider audience, but sometimes they might be oversaturated. On the other hand, specific hashtags or niche hashtags, they might have fewer users, but they will help you to reach to a specific, a more targeted audience, a specific niche related audience. So second tip is, once you have used the hashtags, once you have posted a post with the hashtags you have searched, now it's time to analyze those hashtags. Instagram, now you can see how many accounts reach it via your hashtags. So always keep a look on the metrics and see which hashtags are working well. Okay, so I'm going to end this video by giving my last tip. So the third and the last tip from my end is, keep experimenting. Hashtag mastering this whole hashtag research game requires a lot of experimentation, and you just have to experiment, know what's working for you and what's not working for you. If there's something I'm missing out, then let me know in the comments. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got this idea. I hope you found the tools amazing, and I hope you are now clear on how exactly you should go ahead with this process. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.